uncomfortable or boring when they retire at the age of 60, some at the age of 56. Depends on the occupation they have before. Previously, like teacher in here got retired at the age of 60. Lecturers got retired at the age of around 65, or I'm not sure, or professors maybe at the age of 65 or around that. And army or
58.
Oh yeah, soldiers, right?
Yeah, soldier 58.
Right? 58. And also international companies, if you work in international companies like
Accept a teacher, 60.
Right? They accept teacher, right? Like if you work in international companies like KFC or banking,
Employment.
banking, and also like ExxonMobil.
Yeah.
Maybe you will retire at the age of 55, like 55 maybe.
40.
Exxon, right? 50,
55,
maybe 50,
yeah,
or
50.
around 50s. Around 50s. So, in my opinion, we don't have to get uncomfortable when we are retired from our job that we have done maybe for about 3 decades or 2 decades, for the last 2 or 3 decades, or some for the last 4 decades. We have to be prepared before we get retired. We gotta make plans to do businesses, to make businesses, or to enjoy life with wife, with children and grandchildren. Some of us may get old and got grandchildren, enjoy playing with grandchildren, and or make business, create business that is to your liking, to your preference. You don't have to be depressed or stressed by having retirement with very little salary or severance payment. The main thing is you have to enjoy your life at the age of 60, and do whatever you like for the rest of your life, right? For the rest of your life, do whatever you like, you enjoy life, and also don't forget to increase your worship, right? Increase your worship, because you are in the age, very critical age. You have to increase your worship to God, be more religious, pious, and get more gathering or silaturahim with good people, religious people, so that you will become more positive at your old age. In conclusion, I have got some information from someone who is about to retire. They say that retirement makes them boring because they don't have planning after they retire. So maybe this is a good idea for us at a young age to prepare after we had got a job in the future, and then we will retire. The main thing is we have to be comfortable and make preparations for our old age. I think that's all. Thank you so much.
Alright, any question? Alright, I got a question for you, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa. So do you think is that enough after people can try to serve their country, get a half the payment, and have a salary every single month? For example, before when they serve their country, get 3.5 million rupiahs. After that, get pension or retirement, they got 1.5 rupiah, so million. So what do you think about that? Is that enough or not? So should that pension people looking for the other job or occupation, or got like interpreter, or so what do you think about that?
Yeah, I think it's a good question for retired people like teachers, lecturers, soldiers, and also athletes. I forgot to mention athletes, if they serve their country, winning medals, gold medals, silver or bronze and make the country become popular or famous in international world, international podium. So government should care much about these people who are like teachers is what we call unsung hero, pahlawan tanpa jasa, unsung hero. So government should.
Can you repeat again what that means?
Unsung hero.
Unsung hero.
Unsung hero. So the government should increase the salary for teachers after they retire, so that teachers. That's the main thing is the government appreciate the value that the teacher had given to the country, to the generations of the country, the next leader of the country, and also I think today the salary for teacher on retirement is not sufficient, and also for athletes they have made our country become famous in the past. I think we need government should think more about that, about the life after they get retired. For athletes, their prosperity, the welfare of the athletes after they retire. I think Indonesian government still don't give good equal opportunity for these people, these good people and great people that serve the country so well.
So one more question for me: is that enough to have a salary gap every single month after get served country almost 25 years, or depend on condition when it got first get civil servant, right? Is that enough or not? A half salary every single month.
I think the priority for the government should increase the retired pension money for retired people, for teacher first. Teacher is very important, and then athletes because athletes make our country also proud, right?
Yeah.
Pride of the country. And I think it's not enough for civil servant to get a little salary, but it depends on the achievements of the civil servant. If they had made a lot of achievements, like make a contribution, make findings, I think government should give more pension money. But for civil servant, they got the job from behind, under the table, right?
Yeah, under the table. Yeah, but
from close friends, from close relatives. I think these people should not get a lot of pension money. I think that's all.
All right, thank you. Very totally clear. All right, any question? You got a question, right? No? All right.